Right here, we are going to continue the lesson, our lesson. Last week we we were discussing about the operators, C++ operators. Under that, we were discussed about the arithmetical operators and the assignment operators. We did some examples also regarding the arithmetic and assignment operators. Right here, we are continue from that point. The first thing is similarly, last time I am giving the website link here. Go to this link and then I will give the code. Right. Right here, now you can see the link. Click on the link here. Then wait until I am giving the code. Well, wait until loading the code here. Still loading. If you have any problems regarding your internet and if you are unable to join with now, like power cut problems, then it is okay. If you can join through your mobile phone. I think it is possible, somewhat possible to join through the mobile phone. Otherwise, I will give the recording of this lecture. Then later you can follow the lecture. Right? Only the thing is you will not be do the activities with me. Right? Okay. However, now you can see our code. Right? Type this join code on your place, on your link. I also giving you this code through the chat box. Here 7pm-6pm. Right. Now you can get this code through the chat box. Right. I will give 1 minute to join. Right, okay, more than 15 students now joined with the system. Therefore, I'm going to start it. While I am doing the activities, you can join with the lesson also. Right. Last time we discussed about C++ operators. We did some activities also. We already discussed arithmetic operators. Under arithmetic operators, there are 5 different operators there: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and module operator. Right, then we did some activity regarding the arithmetic operators. Right, then we discussed about the assignment operators. Right, assignment operators. Under assignment operators also there are some 6 different operators there. Right, here also we did some activities. Right, here before we move into the next relational and logical operators, you want to start with activity here. I think now you can display the activity here. Try to do this example. Write a program to enter 4-digit number from the keyboard. 4-digit number from the keyboard. Add 8 to the number and then divide it by 3.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, link එක දාන්න පුළුවන්.
හරි මම දාන්න. Those who are joining now, right, then again I posted the link here. Join code also you can see through your chat box. Right, okay, try to do this example. They are asking to enter 4-digit number through the keyboard, then add 8 to the number, then divide it by 3, the whole number you want divided by 3. Then they are asking to get module of that number is taken with 5. Then finally multiply the result value by 5. Then display the final result. Right, okay, I will give time a few minutes to complete that. Try to submit the answer, then I will go through these answers. Right, some of you submitted the answers, then I am going to discuss with those who are submitted. Others, you can continue your program, right? Then after write down your program, then submitted it. Right here, Wasim, you submitted the program here. Right. This one also correct. Wasim, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Right. Here asking 4-digit number. Therefore, better to use integer. Therefore, I am going to change it int. Double also okay. Right. Then no compilation errors. You can run the program here. Enter 4-digit number. Final result is 20. Okay, good. Can you see your result here?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay, very good. Right, Rangana also, you submitted the answer. We'll see your one also.
So return 9 වෙලා තියෙන සර් එකට 0 එන්න ඕන. ඒක
හරි. 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 හරි හොඳයි රංගන වගේ එකක් හරි ඈ.
okay sir.
සර් මට ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා.
අහන්න.
මේ ඩබල් වැලියු එකක් යූස් කරද්දී මොඩියුල් එක ෆයින් කරනකොට ඉන්වැලිඩ් සින්ටැක්ස් එරර් එකක් එනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මොඩියුල් ෆයින් කරන්න ඕන නම් මේ ඉන්ටිජර් විතරද පාවිච්චි කරන්න ඕනේ.
මොඩියුල්ස් වලට ඉන්ටිජර් තමයි පාවිච්චි කරන්න වෙන්නේ. නේද? අපිට 1.5 කියලා ඉතිරි එන්නේ නැහැනේ. සංඛ්‍යාවක් තව සංඛ්‍යාවකින් බෙදද්දී සම්පූර්ණකයක් නේ ලැබෙන්නේ.
ඕකේ සර්.
නේද? එතන මොඩියුල් එකක් වෙනකොට ඒක ඉන්ටිජර් වෙන්න ඕනේ. තේරුණාද?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. හොඳයි. අනිත් අය කොහොමද තත්ත්වය? දෙන්නයි තාම මට සබ්මිට් කරලා තියෙන්නේ. තව විනාඩි 2ක් දෙන්නම් බලන්න තව දෙතුන් දෙනෙක් උත්තර දාන්න බලන්න තමන් මේ වෙලාවේ ප්‍රැක්ටිස් කරලා එරර්ස් හඳුනා ගන්න. කරපු ටික දාන්න. අපි බලමු මොනවද කම්ප්ලීට් වෙන්න ඕනේ කියන එක. Try to submit the things you did up to now. Then we can discuss it, how you can complete this. Then another answer, Tilanka. Right here, we'll see your answer. Right, okay. I think your one is correct. Yes, no errors. Yes, okay. Your one is also correct. Okay, Tilanka, can you hear me? Your one is also correct, right? Then Nimasha, your one also, I'm not going to execute all the programs here. If I find some errors by looking at here, then we'll try to go to the compiler and get the error. In your program also correct, but why two integers here? Why you assign another integer a like that? Can you hear me, Nimasha?
Yes, sir.
Is there any meaning to get in this one? A kineka gatte.
ඒක සර් වැරදි මුකින් ස්ටයිප්
හරි. ඒ කියන එක අවශ්‍ය නැහැ. අනිත් ඒවා හරි. මේකත් රන් වෙනවා. අපි චෙක් කරමු. හොඳයි. Anuttara also submitted the answer. We'll see this one. Read carefully the question. It is not 7, it should be 8. Right? Therefore, when you are reading the question, be careful. It should be 8. This may be run, right? No compile errors. However, the output will not be the expected one. This type of errors. This is called logical errors. Logically, you made the error. Therefore, be careful when you are giving the numbers inputs. Can you hear me, Anuttara?
Yes, sir.
Right. Okay. Be careful, right? Then otherwise, if your answer is correct, the only the thing is instead of 7, you want to put here 8. Right. Okay. Still only 5 of you are submitted. Then try to submit this one. Try to do this one after this lesson here. Then remember the question, or you can get a screenshot of this question here. Then later you can try it. I think no need to explain it line by line explanation. However, I am getting this one answer. This is a correct one. Those who are not submitted, you can see this answer here. You can start the program in normal way. Assign an integer variable. Then they are asking enter a 4-digit number. Then you can put a message like that. Then they are asking to input the number through keyboard. Therefore, it need to use cin operator here, cin. Right, then you can do the instruction as per given. They are first asked to add 8 for the x. Then they are asking it divided by 3. Then they are asking to get modular value with 5. Then final answer should multiply by 5 again. Right? This is the logic you want to understand in this program. When you are getting the module value, it should be integer. Don't put double value to get the module values. Right, I think you get the answer here. Then later you can try the. Right, I am moving to the next slide now. Here today we should want to learn relational operators. That the third type of operators. Already we learned about arithmetic operators, then assignment operators. Third one is the relational operators. Relational operators. Right, now you can see this slide, C++ relational operators. Right, look at the operators here. Under relational operator, you can find 6 different types of relational operators here. They are going to compare with something, right? Some object. If you want to compare two numbers, two strings, or any kind of objects, these are the operators you can use with C++. Those are called C++ operators. Here they are giving one example. If you want to compare, if you want to check which one is the largest, then you can use a greater than symbol here. You can write down in this way, A greater than B. right? Like that, if you want to compare two objects are similar, two numbers or two strings are similar, then this is the operator you are going to use, double equal. If you are using one equal, mean it is different. It is assignment operator. This is a relational operator. If you want to compare two objects are similar or not, then use this one, double equal symbol. Here the meaning is equal to. Here given one example also, they are giving some values. They are checking 3 similar to 5. It return is false because 3 is not the 5. Right? They are giving the output like false. They are not giving any value as output. Right? Their output is false. Right, like that. The second one is not equal. Then third one greater than, less than. Fifth one is greater than, no, equal. The final one is less than, no, equal. Also here refer the example. Always this example gives the Boolean value. Return false or true. False or true. Right. Write down this one on your books. Right. Okay. I think you finish copying this one to your books. Did you finish it?
No, sir. Not done.
Okay. I will give 1 minute to complete that.
Amma. Amme. Amma.
අම්මා නැද්ද ගෙදර? දැන් ඉවරද ලියලා?
Yes, sir.
Right. Then we'll move to the next type of operator, logical operator. Logical. Here also the return type is Boolean. They are giving Boolean value, true or false. Under logical operators, we can find 3 major type of operators. The first one is called AND operator. Second one, O operator. Then third one, not expression, not. This one is logical not. Then here giving example and example. If you want to be someone true, that AND operator you are using in this say, you should want to do expression in 2 ends. Here expression 1 and expression 2. If it is true, only these two expressions are true. That means true and true, then only the return value is true. That means you want to follow the AND table. I think your hardware subject you already learned these logical tables, right? You want to follow these logical tables. Remember the AND table. Always both expression must be true to get the return value true. Otherwise, one of the expression is false, all the output will be false. Right? Remember that point. Similarly, you want to follow the OR logic gate or logic table there. One of the expression true, that means output will be true. Both expressions are false, then output will be false. That is OR. How you are going to use this OR? Using this double lines in this way. Both sides you should want to input the insert the expressions. Then not operator. Use this symbol to use it. Always logical not. We give in the opposite value of the result. Whatever the things we are checking, output may be the opposite of the we are checking. Right? For suppose, for example, not zero, not zero mean 1. In that way, when we are doing the example, you will get you will clear more how to use these logical operators. Right? Until that, doing examples, you can copy this note on your books. Right? Write down this one.
සර් නිය පොඩ් එකේ ලින්ක් එක ආයෙම පාරක් chat box එකට දාන්න පුළුවන්ද?
මොකක්ද link එකද?
ඔව් සර්.
හරි. දැම්ම link එක දාලා තියෙන්නේ.
හරි සර් thank you.
හොඳයි මේක ලියාගත්තද අනිත් අය? ඉවරද? Right, I think you are finished writing, copying this one to your books. Now we'll try to do one activity. Before doing this activity, suppose few examples. Suppose, for example, A equal 6, then B equal 5. Right. Now tell me what's the output if you are checking A equal B. What will be the output here? Can someone tell me what will be the output? False. False, because A assigned as 6, B assigned as 5. B is not equal, 5 is not equal 6. Therefore, it is false. Then A greater than B.
True.
True. A greater than B mean true. A is 6, 5 is 5. B is 5. 6 greater than 5 is true. Then A greater than B. Then AND operator, this one is AND operator. Then second expression is A double equal B. Here equal. Then what will be the output of this expression?
False.
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 Right. This one is true. Then this expression is false. And then you want to take logical AND with these two operators. True, false mean with AND operator, but
False.
it should be false. Right? According to the AND logical table, this should be false. Right? In that way, you should be able to give in the output once given the expression in logical. Right. Remember that point. Now we'll try to do this activity here. You can spend 10 minutes for this activity. I think 15 or 20 questions there, only short question like that. Therefore, you can complete it within this 10 minutes. Right. Now get ready with do this activity here. Yes, you have 20 questions, but I'm assigned 5 minutes. Actually, 5 minutes is not enough for do this activity. Please give me 1 minute to change it, right? Right here, it will not be able to change in the time. If I change the time, the lesson code will be changed. Then again, you want to join from the beginning. That's wasting time. Therefore, here I am going to start the activity. Try to your maximum to complete within 5 minutes. Right? Some of you are already started. Try to do it complete within 5 minutes. Right, okay. I know the time is not enough for that. Accidentally, I set the time as 5 minutes. However, some of you are completing the all 16 questions. That's good actually. Here we'll see some of the questions here. Right, 14 out of 16, that Fiumi is giving the good answers. Then another 14 out of 16, Sampath. Lahiru, 15 out of 16, very good. Then another Anuttara also 15 out of 16, Wasim also 15 out of 16, very good actually. Most of you are giving answers correctly. Right, however, we'll see the answers. The first one, which of the following is relational operator straightly? You can identify it, double slash. Which of the following is not equal to, that's also direct, the third one. Here, suppose x is 5 and y is 7. Then you want to apply this 5 and 7. Then 5 not equal 7 mean true. Then x less than y also true. Then true and true mean true. I think these are not much difficult. If you have time, then you can complete it. Right? I think no need to discuss all of these questions here. That most of you are wrong with this question number 5. We'll see what is the question number 5 here. Suppose x is an int, which of the following expression always evaluate true? Right, x is integer value. Any integer value you can substitute to x. That means any integer value. That means the value greater than 0. Right? Then substitute to x and then check the expression. Suppose x equals 1. Then put the 1 here and check it. Answer is C. Here the problem is, I think, exact value. You will not find the exact value for x, but some clue there, x as an integer variable. That means x must be greater than 0. That's the question. Most of you are incorrect with this question. Right, I think other questions, okay. Then question number 6 also, some of you are here. Which of the following will cause a logical error if you attempting to compare x to 5? Question number 6. Following is the logical error. Which one give the logical error? Right, all are relational operator. If you are using if mean checking something, condition. If you are using if statement, mean if you are going to check something. That means with if operator you must use a relational operator. Okay, is it clear that point? If you are using if, then you must use a relational operator. Relational operator. Therefore, answer B, they are using which operator? Assignment operator. Therefore, this one give the logical error if you are using in the B answer, this one. Other operators are all other operators are relational. Double equal, less than or equal, greater than or equal. And I think that one is clear. Okay. Then those are the answers for this question, this activity. Right, we'll do one more activity here. Right, read this one. Write a program in C++ to find the size of fundamental data type. Size of fundamental data types. These fundamental data types, some of the fundamental data types you can find within bracket here. Then I am asking to find the size of these fundamental data types here: integer, float, double, char, short integer, and long integer. They are the sum of fundamental data types you can use it C++. Then how you are going to find the size of these data types? Here with C++ you can use inbuilt functions. There are some inbuilt function already designed to you. Only the thing is you want to know how to use it. To find the size of data types, C++ gives a function called size of. Using this size of function, you can return the size of the data type. How you can use this size of operator is like that. Use the size of SIZE. This one is Z of OF. All as in simple letter, size of. Right? Or should be in simple letter, size of, then open the rounded bracket. Within rounded bracket, you can specify the data type. If you want to find the size of integer, then within bracket say int. Within bracket give the data type which required to find the size. Right? If you are using this function in this way, this one return the size of integer. And then think how to output, how to display the size of this integer value. Right? How you can return the value of data type in this way. This is the function size of. You want to use this size of operator with the data type name. Within this rounded bracket, you have to specify the data type name here. Right, try to do it. Try to do this example. For short integers, use short int. Long integers, use long int. Short int means short, short. Short give space and int. For long integer, long int. Try to complete this example. Right, one answer here. We'll see the answer. Yes, Wasim. Yeah, that's the way how you can use the size of operator. Yes, your answer is correct. Integer size 4 bytes, float mean 4 bytes, double mean 8 bytes. Right. Then size of characters 1 byte, short integer and long integer 2 and 4. Yes, these are correct answers for the data types. Right. Okay, your one is correct.
Okay, sir.
Right, then others, you can complete it later. Please write down this example on your books. Write a program in C++ to find size of fundamental data types. Size of fundamental data types. Right. Here, look at the code block screen. This is the one example did by Wasim here. Look at the example here. To get the size of data types, size of within bracket, say the data type which you want to get the size. If you want to get the size of integer, use int. Then straight you can print by giving in this way. Or also it is okay if you can, if you want, you can assign a variable, then get this value to a variable. Size of then within bracket say int. Right. Then like that you can use variables to get the answer. Then finally you can print variables. That's also possible, but in that case you want to use more variables. Therefore, better to use this method to print in the values. Right. Is it clear for others, this one? This example, is it clear? Right. What about the others? තේරුණාද අනිත් අයට? මොකක්ද? මේ තියෙන කරපු එක්සැම්පල් එකක්. ඒතර මේකේ බලන්න මේ තියෙන්නේ ස්ටේට්මන්ට් පාර්ට් එක size of integer කියලා එක ස්ටේට්මන්ට්
size
එකක්.
of char වෙනුවට
මොකක්ද?
ඒකේ size of char වෙනුවට මම size of chat කියලා දාලා තියෙන spelling mistake එකක් තියෙනවා.
ඒක හරි. Size of char characters. ස්ටේට්මන්ට් පාර්ට් එක වෙනමයි අපිට use කරන function එක size of කියන එක variable part එකක් විදිහට වෙනමයි print වෙලා තියෙනවා. හොඳයි. එහෙනම් අපි ඔය example එක ඔයගොල්ලෝ try කරන්න complete කරපු නැති අය භාගයට complete කර හිටියා නම් දැන් complete කරලම නතර කරන්න. හොඳයි මම stop කරනවා අදට. I am going to stop the lecture now. Then tomorrow morning we'll meet again to continue the C++ program. Right. Okay. Thank you very much for the participation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome to you.